Look at that beautiful pork belly. Hey everyone, I'm Dave. Today we're gonna make this amazing pork belly. We're gonna smoke it. We're gonna turn it into some incredible sandwiches. Let's get it started. Okay, for this, we're just gonna do a simple rub. This is what I do almost every week and what I use as my replacement for bacon and whatever I'm cooking. It is incredible flavor. We're just gonna add the oil on real quick to just give a little binder here for our rub. Our rub is real simple. It's 50-50 kosher salt and coarse pepper with a hint of granulated garlic and granulated onion. All we're doing is bringing out a little bit of this amazing flavor of this pork. And that's it. Okay, we're gonna take this, we're gonna put it on the smoker for about 3 hours till we get near about 165. At that time, we'll give it a little spritz with 50-50 apple cider vinegar and water and continue cooking it until it hits 180. Then we'll be slicing it for our bacon. Beautiful. Okay, the pork belly's reached an internal temperature right around 160. We're now gonna spritz it every 30 minutes until we hit about 180 to 185 internal. Looks beautiful. Just give this a nice spritz. This is our apple cider vinegar and water 50-50 mix. Close it back up. We'll give it another spritz in a half an hour. Okay, so the pork belly has been smoking. It is perfect right now. It's at about 180 to 185. This is where I take it off and I use this for my bacon for the week. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice this into quarters. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible. Look at that meat. Look at that beautiful pork belly. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna save these 3 that I'm gonna use for the rest of the week for basically anything I'd use bacon for. It's gonna just take every dish to a whole new level. And right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice these, then I'll give them a quick sear in a cast iron pan. You can do that in your grill or over a stovetop even. Give yourself a somewhat thick cut. This is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna take these, we'll put them on the cast iron, we'll sear them up, then we're gonna make amazing BLT, or what I call bolt sandwiches, because I love throwing a little red onion in there as well. We've got the pork belly seared in the cast iron. Looks absolutely amazing, smells incredible. These will be the best BLTs you ever had. It really kicks it up a whole new level with the smoked pork belly. And again, you've got tons of pork belly left for the week. So this pork belly looks incredible. You load the mayo on both sides first. I, as you can tell, love heavy mayo on these. And you lay down a nice bed of lettuce. Oh, that smells and looks so good. Then I like, for a little texture, little red onion on top too. So these become bolt sandwiches, not just BLTs. They look incredible. We're gonna close these up. I'll give them a slice and then I'm diving in. I cannot wait any longer. Gonna give this a nice slice in half. And it is time to taste. Look at that beautiful sandwich, that pork belly. If you've never had this, you gotta do it. And again, when you smoke a pork belly like that, you have so much left over for the week. I like to vacuum seal it and pull it out as needed. You've gotta give this a try, everybody. Thanks so much for watching Bussin Eats. Again, I'm Dave. Keep it here for some more great grilling. Take care, everyone, and remember, spread love through barbecue.